Welcome to our guide on custom fields in Gluu. In this video, we'll show you how to add extra fields to processes, activities, roles, and users. Whether you're managing IT systems or defining specific requirements, this guide will help you tailor Gluu to your organization's unique needs. Gluu lets you add extra fields to capture the data most relevant to your organization. These fields offer the flexibility to collect the information you need. Remember, only account managers with the manage account rights can create custom fields. You can add fields to 4 key objects: processes, activities, users, and roles. Each object allows for customized data collection, so you're able to record exactly what you need in the right place. Let's explore the types of fields you can use. Text fields allow users to enter any information they want, but we recommend limiting the use of these fields for consistency. List fields are ideal for predefined values. You can choose from a custom list or use Gluu components as the source. This helps users select only from preset options. Date, yes, no, and number fields are straightforward and help limit user inputs to the correct data format. For the user, we're going to be creating a text field. In this case, we'll name the text field Special Agreement. And now we can then make it a protected field. Making it a protected field allows us to manage who has the rights to view this field, so that only, in our case, supervisors and managers can view it. Then let's go ahead and create a process field as well. For the process field, we're going to be using components. You have the option to select one or select many components. This only dictates how many choices the user has when filling out the field, but you can add as many as you would like. Then you choose the component type. This is a group of components from your component library. In our case, we're going to select Microsoft Dynamics 365, and we only want them to select one option. When creating a field, remember that it is locked to the object and type that you've selected at creation. This means you cannot change the object or the type later. You can, however, change information like the name, the description, who has access to it, as well as change the components and the lists that you have created. Once you've created fields, you need to add them to sections. Sections are collections of fields that are linked to the same object. If fields aren't added to a section, they won't be visible to users. So let's create a new section. In this case, we'll name it User Information. And once we click on the field that we wish to add, we can see the different categories. In this case, it's User. When you select User, the section knows that this is a user section, so we can add multiple fields to this section. Now that the section is created, it will show up and be visible to other users. Since we also created a field for processes, we're going to add another section that we can put that field into. In this case, it was D365. Now that these two are created, we'll be able to use them. So now we've created a section for processes and for users. Once your fields are set up, they will appear in the process info view of the object, whether it's a process, activity, role, or user. You can see that we have the D365 down here. And now we can choose what is relevant for this one. Now that we've added it to the process, we can always access it and edit or change it should we have made a mistake. For the user roles, You can do the exact same thing by simply navigating to the users, opening the user profile, and you'll have the ability to see your newly created fields here. First, we give him a role, and then we have to add user information. If you remember, these were protected fields. Protected fields are fields with restricted access. They're only visible to account managers or users with specific permissions. These fields will be hidden until clicked, ensuring sensitive information remains secure. Once a field is created as protected, it cannot be changed back to unprotected. Now you know how to add, customize, and manage fields in Gluu. If you need more details, be sure to check out our help articles linked below. Happy customizing, and thanks for watching.